Welcome to the last video for this lesson. Now in this video we're going to prove the integral for cotangent and tangent. So let's start by rewriting cotangent. Now I know tangent is sine over cosine, so cotangent is going to be cosine over sine. So first off, this and this are the same thing. I'm just rewriting them. Second, I'm also going to rewrite this as 1 over sine of x times cosine of x, oops, forgot my x dx. Now, let's do a u substitution. Let's say that sine is u. So if u is sine of x, then du is going to be, let's see, the derivative of sine is cosine. And hey, look at that. There's my du. So now I have the integral of 1 over u du. That is ln of absolute value of u plus c from the rules we just learned in the last video. And then I plug in my sine, and there we go. So the integral of cotangent is ln of absolute value of sine of x. That's one you're going to want to memorize. Now let's try 17. We're going to do the same process. Let's start by rewriting it and then rearranging it. And then we're going to make cosine our u. Now, I want you to try and finish this one from there. So try this out and then come back and check how you did. See how you did. So if u is cosine, the derivative of cosine is negative sine. Make sure you are careful about that. So I need to add a negative to this sine to make it match my du. So I'm going to add a negative to the outside to balance it. So now I have negative integral of 1 over u du. Well, that's ln of absolute value of u. Still have my negative on the outside. And then I plug my u back in. And there we go. So if you look right here in the box, here's those two rules that you just proved. If you ever forget them, then just reprove them. They're not too bad to prove, just remembering that tangent is sine over cosine and cotangent is cosine over sine. Okay, last part of this video, let's try one example problem using those rules. So let's start by using this as a u substitution problem. So I'm going to say u is 2x. So du is going to be 2 dx. So let's add a 2 in front of that dx so that it matches, and a 1/2 to balance it. So now that is my du. So I've got 1/2 integral of tangent of u du. Well, tangent of u is negative ln of cosine of u. I haven't plugged the u back in yet. Plus c. So far so good. Let's simplify this a little bit. Let's multiply that in to get a negative 1/2 ln of cosine. I'll plug my u back in, 2x plus c. And there we go. So that should be it for today's lesson. You should be able to get started on your assignment now.